RC Doctor here. Today we are going to be testing out the crawler gears, but before we do that we want to check the speed and see how much the stock gearing gives you. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your battery tray. There's going to be 2 Allens. You're going to go ahead and get that off. Then you're going to have your tranny, your transmission and your motor, everything's going to be right here. You have 4 Allens. That thing pops right off. You have your plate right here. Guess what, guys? Another 4 Allens. And here we go. Here we have our gears. First though, I popped my, see if we have one of the bushings. We popped that bushing out of there. We're gonna be going with bearings. So let's pop these gears out of here and then put it together. Let's see how fast she goes. Let's see, stock is just way too fast. Is this thing a monster truck or is it a crawler? Come on.